Nagbuntis po si Sister Dane. Pero sa ikalimang buwan, dinala po siya sa ospital due to bleeding at premature rupture ng kanyang panubigan. After a few months, nabuntis po uli si Sister Dane. Sa loob ng 3 buwan, sari-saring komplikasyon ang naranasan po ni Sister Dane. At sila po sana ay mabibiyayaan ng kambal. Ngunit ang isa po ay hindi tuluyang na-develop. They attended a prayer revival meeting last September 3, 2025, where Pastor Noel Casimpoy preached with the title, Breakthrough Faith. Truly God is in complete control. Nag-decide sila to proceed with emergency CS. Ipinganak ang baby na prematured for only 30 weeks at sobra pong liit. Just 1 kilogram at nanatili sa NICU for 1 month. She had a brain sparring, retinopathy of prematurity, anemia at maging pneumonia. But all by the grace of God, today, ang baby nila po ay healthy, napakalusog, growing, at buhay na patotoo ng kanyang kapangyarihan. Yes, the best clap of praise to the Lord who is alive. Hallelujah.